How to record simulation animation in Unreal Engine 5. First, we need to add the surface and we adjust the face to right place. Yeah, I think this spray is good. Next, I create a new material and open it. I press 3 keys and left keys to make this base color. I change the color, and here apply it and save it, and I adjust the material to surface and I change the value. And next, I simulate it, but nothing happened. Yeah, because our surface this unchecked. So we simulate again, and you can see the surface is fall down and roll away. And here we need to open the polygons and take record and make sure our take records is checked. We open it, simulate and take recorder. And here we adjust the surface into here. And now we collect the setting and drop it down and find the call down to change the value to 0 value. Okay, I drag it to here, and now I need to press Alt and P key and click the record button at the same time. And yes, we do it. And here you can see our animation is recording now. Let me stop it. And our recording is finished. And we find the cinematics folder and open it and find the sequencer. And we play it. Yeah, you can see this face has the animation. And sometimes we need to add the camera. Yes, of course you need to add the cameras in the sequencers. And now we close this take record. And here I need to add the camera. Right key and select object to view. And we drag to the sequencer. And these tips have screen is read only because our sequencer is locked now, and we need to click this lock. You can adjust the camera now. We play it. Yeah, here we have the simulation animation now, and you can find the right angle to make sure your camera view is perfect. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.